In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an account on Basecamp. By the end, you'll have a brand new Basecamp workspace and your personal preferences all configured, so it feels just right for you. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Basecamp website. On the homepage, look for the option that says Sign Up Free. This is usually near the top of the page. Click that button. You may see a pricing or plans page with different options. Again, choose the Sign Up Free option so you're starting with the free plan. Next, you'll be taken to a sign-up form. Here, you'll see a few fields highlighted where Basecamp needs your details. Type in your name in the first field, then your email address in the email field. Make sure this is an email you have access to, since Basecamp may use it to confirm your account or send you notifications. Then type in whatever additional information the form asks for, such as your company or organization name, if that shows up on your screen. Once all the highlighted fields are filled in, look for the button to continue. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the last step to set a password. Basecamp will open a secure page where you can create a strong password for your new account. Type your password into the highlighted password box, then confirm it if there's a second field. When you're ready, click the button to continue or submit. After that, Basecamp will finish creating your account and log you in. You should now see an option that says something like, "Okay, let's see my account." Click that to jump into your new Basecamp home screen. From here, let's customize your preferences so Basecamp works the way you like. Look for your avatar or profile area, usually in the top corner, and click on it. In the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This opens your personal settings page. On the Preferences screen, you'll see several sections you can adjust. Click through the highlighted options to review things like notifications, interface behavior, and other personal settings. When you get to the Appearance section, you'll see choices for the theme: always light, always dark, or same as OS. Pick the one that feels easiest on your eyes. Next, find the time zone drop-down and select the time zone that matches where you are. This ensures your project deadlines and schedules show correctly. Then, look for the clock format and choose the 12-hour clock if that's what you prefer. Finally, choose which day you want your week to start on, for example Sunday, so your calendar matches how you plan your week. Once you've clicked through and adjusted all the highlighted options on this page, your Basecamp account is fully set up and personalized. You're now ready to start creating projects, inviting teammates, and organizing your work inside Basecamp.